Hi guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. We are here in Sephora because we have launched Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. Oh my gosh, it's available right now. Normally I would do my videos and tease it, you know, for you guys to get to know what the product is about, but it is live right now here in Sephora, Sephora.com, OneSizeBeauty.com. We have 24 shades, multiple undertones. I am so proud of this because this concealer, you guys, is literally buttery and silky, and that's why it's called Butter Silk Concealer, in addition to the Turn Up the Base family. If you guys didn't know, a few months ago, we launched the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation. It went viral on TikTok. You guys love it. It's smooth, it's blurring, and the concealer is no different. I'm really proud of my complexion products that I've launched so far. They're so beautiful, and I'm really proud of this, and you guys literally have to get your hands on it. If you guys see the models here on the display, there is absolutely no skin retouching here in Sephora. We wanted to keep it real, connect with all of you guys. And speaking of connection, if you guys cannot connect to a beauty advisor in store to find your shade, be sure to check us out at One Size Shade Finder here on Instagram and DM us so we can help you find your shade in concealer, in powder foundation, or in brow kiki, so you don't have to come in and ask anything. Just shoot us a DM on One Size Shade Finder. Also, I want to thank you for all the love and support because One Size is 1 year old as of like this month, roughly around this month, and it's been a dream come true. It's been a journey to launch a brand during this time. The brand stands for love, and I feel nothing but love from everyone all around the world. One Size is going global, y'all. We're in Asia, and we have some other countries that we're coming to, so without further ado, I know you guys want to see how to use this concealer. I have a demo coming up, so I present to you Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer.
Texture, pores, hyperpigmentation, discoloration have been detected. One size face analysis complete. It's time to remix the beat and turn up the bass. Turn up the bass. One size.
How sickening was that commercial? It was off the chisel. Okay, y'all, Butter Silk Concealer is available in store right now, like you guys saw in the beginning. It's available in Sephora, Sephora.com, and also OneSizeBeauty.com. We are adding to the Turn Up the Base family. I am launching complexion again. This is like so epic. Never in a million years that I would think I would be launching powder foundation and concealer. By the way, before we get into this beauty, Butter Silk Concealer, I just want to say it feels good to be back. If you guys haven't been following me on social media, on Instagram, I had an asthma attack which led to hospitalization. It was a little bit dramatic. To me, I never really like to share that side because this is PatrickStarrr. It was more of a Patrick Samandak situation, but I felt I wanted to share with you because a lot of you have been praying for me online, and it was a really scary, crazy time. I had to cancel a TV show on VH1. I had to cancel a YouTube original. It was just so dramatic. I was not used to canceling anything because I've worked so hard for the past 8 years to get to this point, to live my dream for all of you, to inspire you, and the last thing I wanted to do was scare anybody over my health, but it was something that I really had to take care of, to the point where my own parents had to fly out from Orlando. It wasn't my choice. They really wanted to come, and it was what I needed in my life, and I just want to share that with you. I was even picking my campaign pictures in the hospital. A good perspective on life, to just take a pause and take a break and realize what's really important, and I just wanted to share that. You guys will see a little bit more in the vlog how the behind the scenes went, because the campaign and the amount of work that we put into this is so epic. And you guys are probably wondering, what the hell is he doing as an alien cyborg extraterrestrial DJ cinched to the gods? And why is he DJing underground at a club? Like what the hell is this bitch thinking? Okay, there's symbolism in every step of the brand, and I want to explain that. The cyborg alien looking robot to me represents the future of beauty, and the future of beauty is One Size. And we're here to make a shift because I feel like as a man in makeup, I've been a part of that, and I want to continue that with my brand at One Size. The DJ the sickening DJ, represents turning up the bass and remixing the beat. And in every campaign that we've done thus far, it includes music, movement, and makeup. And those three things encompass expression in every sense of the word. I've recorded all my own music. We dance on every campaign. We have nothing but makeup to celebrate expression. One Size is about expression and loving yourself. That's why my brand is red and pink. And here we are today to continue those things and represent that through the world, through social media. So with that being said, without further ado, let's turn up the bass and talk about the Butter Silk Concealer. No, I don't have a rattlesnake in the studio. I introduced to you Butter Silk Concealer. This is what's been making noise that I've been getting in trouble for from Peter behind the scenes. This is it, you guys. I have to make a lot of noise. This is the best, creamiest, butteriest, silkiest, smoothest, most blurring concealer I have ever freaking tried in my life. I dare you to go try it. Go to your Sephora, go online, go on onesizebuttery.com. This is so amazing. I'm really so freaking proud of this. I have been wearing this for a very long time and it's now available. This literally sits beautiful on everybody. With One Size, I've been testing it on my friends, on my family. We've even hired professional models to come in and swatch it on them because I really wanted to make sure that we had the right amount of shades and it fit the right texture concerns like hyperpigmentation, acne, dark circles, rough texture, wrinkles, and redness. It's really important to me because number one, we're called One Size, and number two, we're called One Size, and number three, we're freaking called One Size, and makeup is a one size fits all, and it's a very daunting task, but it's a very important one if I want to be a founder. I have to be accountable for all these things, and I feel like I have captured my dreams, my ambitions, and hopes in a concealer called Butter Silk. Guys, there are 24 shades, and like the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, the undertones are written right next to that. So if you guys have a preferred undertone, you can check it out. For me, I love something a little bit more rosy. My shade is medium 2 with the letter R, which stands for rosy. Sometimes if I'm a little bit darker in the summer, I like to wear medium 3, which has golden undertones because I tan a little bit more golden. But yeah, you can use it to brighten, conceal your eyes, and also shape your face. I actually used this on Tyra Banks, and the concealer wasn't launched yet, but best believe I was slapping it on her, a supermodel. The concealer has all day wear. It's waterproof, okay? If you're gonna trust someone to make waterproof makeup, it's a plus size founder that happens to be bald with no hair to catch that sweat, okay? You guys have known me, I've been wearing turbans. I get very hot, so I really needed something waterproof. Also, it's beautiful because it's medium to full coverage with a soft matte finish. The finish of it is so beautiful. It's a soft matte finish that looks like second skin. Really around here, your smile lines and on your cheeks and your upper lip, it controls oil. I get sweaty and oily all the time. Plus, to legitimize everything, we did a consumer testing study and the results showed that it didn't cake, crease, or transfer. Why Butter Silk, you ask? Well, my inspiration for creating this concealer was leave it to a big girl to compare her products to food, okay? Like butter on toast. Toast is porous. There's a lot of texture on a piece of bread. And in my mind, I had this vision that butter was smoothing over the toast, doing the most and making a smooth surface, and leave it to someone like me to talk about food. I'm really hungry right now. The ingredients in Butter Silk are so amazing, which makes it glide on your skin. There are exclusive peptides to boost collagen production to help improve texture. Avocado and mango butters to help hydrate and nourish to smooth texture. And caffeine to help depuff and revive skin. And right here, just look at this cute packaging. They are giving chrome red realness to match our Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation. The doe foot applicator is just sickening. There's like a little well to help hold more product for those that want to apply a little bit more or spot conceal. Now with all that being said, let's slap some butter on that toast. Do the most. jump right into a product demonstration. Is the bread ready? Hey guys, here I am with not a stitch of makeup on my face. Just to prove to you guys, bam, nothing. And the colors that I'll be using in the Butter Silk Concealer is Medium Dark 2, which has rosy undertones, and Medium Dark 3 that has golden undertones. It just depends on how tan I am in the summer, and I only vary by one shade or two, depending on how glam I wanna go when I wanna go lighter and brighter for my under eye and the high points of my face. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Medium Dark 2 with rosy undertones on my face, and I'll be blending it with the Butter Silk Toast Sponge. How cute is this sponge? You can get this on the onesizebutd.com website only, and the concealer in Sephora and onesizebutd.com. But how cute is this sponge? It is so tiny. I have it in the little package right here, and when it's damp, this is what it looks like. It is so soft and really, really plush like a toast. And on the one side is our brand icon, and on the other side is our brand logo, and I'm literally obsessed. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I literally have barely any concealer left because I've been in love with this shade and this concealer so much. I'm excited to show you. So let's jump right in. Right here in the doe foot applicator, there's like a little bit of a well that's kind of domed so you can apply it. So the way that I like to apply my concealer is under my eyes, just like so. You can do 3 stripes. You can do the little TikTok trend just like so. How do they do that? They do it like this. Or you can just go in like me, how I have for so long, and just go right here. It just depends on what you like. And for me, I will say this does dry down fairly quickly, which is great for people with dry skin, so you use less powder. And that's one thing that I was trying to find the right consistency and dry down time. So you'll be seeing me working really, really, really fast. And in today's demonstration, I'm gonna show you guys more of a natural look because I really wanna highlight the amazing features and the ingredients that really are packed and jammed into this butter silk with the avocado butter, mango butter, peptides, and caffeine. Do you guys see it instantly? How sickening and gorgeous this is. I literally have my days where I just want to be out the door and wear makeup just like this. And you have to work fast. Bam. How good is this? It's a little bit hard working with a glove because my nails are not on because I've been out. But if you can literally see this on my close-up camera, it literally melts on the skin, and I'm so excited that it's finally out and open to the world because this product really is revolutionary. I'm literally obsessed with it. And for those that have hyperpigmentation, you could take a little bit of the residual and apply this on your eyelids if you have hyperpigmentation like me, and look at the difference between no concealer on that and concealer on just my lid alone. It's so natural, so beautiful, and I've only applied it under my eyes, the high points of my face, and I have yet to blend it down. So one thing I had in mind when creating this concealer was like, will it work for my mom? Will it work on all skin types? Dry skin, mature skin, my skin, your skin, because we are one size fits all. So what makes that able to happen is the kind of buildableness that this concealer has. So this is me with one layer of concealer on my face, and I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful this builds on itself. This is me just applying 2 layers of concealer. And mind you, I did not color correct. I just wanted to show you with the primer and the concealer how this looks. And normally I'll go in with a second layer underneath my eye and maybe like around my mouth or mustache area where foundation didn't really get to cover. But because I'm showing you guys more of a natural look today with the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, I just want to show you how beautiful the skin, need I say more? Need I say more? Sickening. Unclockable. And that, my friends, is 2 layers on my face. And I just noticed right now, I had a friend invited to the party right here. This is a little pimple on my chest, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Medium Dark 2 and Medium Dark 3. Oh, I can't even fucking see. I am blind. Hold on, let me use a mirror instead of this monitor. I'm gonna go ahead and just take that sponge and just blend it out. Where'd she go? Wow. Now to set the concealer, you could take the Ultimate Setting Powder, but for me, there's this new way of setting that I am literally obsessed with, and I call it reverse baking. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation and go ahead and set this right away for me because I find that the Rice Silk Powder in this formula really melts into the avocado and mango butters in this formula, and it also gives coverage right away. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take the Ultimate Setting Powder Loose, which is translucent, and apply that on top to really push the foundation powder and the Butter Silk Concealer into the face. And this color that I'm using right here is medium 2 with neutral rosy undertones. And again, my concealer that I use is medium dark 2. I look like I'm literally wearing nothing on my face. It just looks like I'm photoshopping live. Now that you guys have set your concealer with the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation and the lighter color that matches, I'm gonna go ahead and take my skin shade now, medium 5, which is such a beautiful shade, and apply this to the rest of the face. But you most certainly can stop right before this step, but I just love to complete the look and make sure it's all even. And of course, don't forget that little friend that showed up to the party. Now to give you premium durability so your makeup lasts all day, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ultimate Setting Powder by One Size also and go ahead and bake this right here. So we're pushing in the powder foundation and that extra layer that we did into the face. And this is what I call a reverse bake for that premium longevity. And by the way, I did this on Tyra Banks when I got to do her makeup. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out because she looks so good at wearing One Size. I still can't believe I did that. As I will say, as my skin is looking more snatched with everything, I wanted to show you guys these other products because when I was in product development, thinking about how these products would work, I picked certain ingredients and formulas that complemented each other. So in the concealer, there's the butters. In the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, there's the Rice Silk Powder. In the Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder, it's so micronized and fine for that long bake. And all together combined, you get something that is beautiful, that works together by me and my brand. And I just wanted to emphasize that for you, the amount of work and love and research that I put into this product with my amazing team here at One Size. Now, with that being said, oh, and also the primer, the niacinamide and the microspheres, don't forget about this. This is a must-have to really secure the blur, which is why that's what it's called, to complement the rest of the face. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face for a natural look, and I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. All right, everyone, and this is the finished natural look that anyone can do at home. I love it. My skin feels so lightweight. You guys are gonna be so surprised. Just remember to work really quick if you have drier skin, but make sure you prep your skin. I prep with Secure the Blur, use Butter Silk, and set with Turn Up the Base and the Ultimate Setting Powder, and that's all that's on my skin. No liquid foundation, no cream foundation, and your skin just looks amazing and even and feels silky, and I hope you guys are able to try it, and this natural look is it. Now for my full coverage besties, the difference between using Butter Silk for a natural look and a glam look like this one is to just add more butter. Now, Butter Silk Concealer retails for $25 US, 33 Canadian. Be sure to check it out, Sephora in store, online, onesizebbeauty.com. Y'all better believe it. There's no one better than this concealer right here. And now it's your turn to get it. You feel me? You feel me? No cap, this laughs. I sound like a sheep. I'm so excited. Be sure to follow us on TikTok, all social media. I can't wait to see all of your content. Be sure to tag us at One Size on Instagram, hashtag #OneSizeBeauty. I honestly have so much excitement for this concealer if you guys are getting it in your hands. Be sure to check out all the other products too because I actually have a brand. We got powder foundation, concealer, primer, eyeshadows, liners, poppers. Thank you guys so much for watching and turning up as always. I can't wait to see all of your looks on social media. Remember, makeup is a one size fits all. I love you so much and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
One size. Turn up the bass.